Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you a working PolyBuzz mod menu, which gave me unlimited coins and unlocked premium features without spending any money. This method works on Android and iOS too, and it's completely free and safe, so don't worry about it. As you can see guys, the mod menu contains various features, which is so cool. Okay, so let's start it. Open your mobile browser and go to this website. Alright, then type PolyBuzz to the search bar and tap the Install button to start installing the mod menu. To finish the installation, you need to complete 2 free offers. Bellow from this list. As you can see, the TikTok application just need to install and run for 30 seconds. It's so simple and easy. Pick 2 from this list, and you can finish the mod menu installation and unlock premium features in the PolyBuzz app. Hopefully enjoy my video. If you have any question, just ask me in the comments section. See you soon.